next steps of soul was funk. Early Sly, a lot of early James Brown, a lot of early Funkadelic, Parliament, you know what I'm saying? A lot of early progression when the music was just starting to change and the culture was changing.
I'm not going to pretend I'm a saint or a monk or anything, but I am what I am. I think as a whole individual, one should express what one feels and what one feels inside one's soul as an artist. And I just try and express life as I see it, and certainly sensuality and sex is a great part of our lives. We don't like to speak of it too often. It seems better if it's done quietly. I don't mind recording about it, and I feel that it's been within taste. As far as the spirituality is concerned, I'm the son of an apostolic minister, and I know a great deal about God, and I've been with God all my life. And there too, sounds a bit hypocritical, but I'm a pretty religious guy. I don't feel that sex and religion, they're both controversial, but if one can work it out properly, I think it works okay.
That's the shit. Rick, you don't understand how country this really is.